Today we will be directly discussing on how to identify or what is the solution to a linear differential equation. Natay do ka case if the equation is linear in y and if the equation is linear in x. First is need na to i-get ang iyahang standard form. Kung linear siya in y, natay standard form na dy over dx plus p of x times y is equal to q of x, where p and q is a variable of x. And after na to siya na buhat into standard form, kuhaan na to siya integrating factor of x, that is, we let that as I of x equal to e raised to the integral of p of x times dx. P of x diri is gikan sa naka-multiply kang y nga p of x. And then naatay general solution nga if nakuha na nato ang integrating factor, diretso na siya ani nga formula. Y times the integrating factor, pag makuha nimo ang answer ani, equal to i-integrate nimo si function of x in q times the integrating factor or ang answer na pod ani i-times nimo kang q of x si I of x, and then after you integrate makuha na nato ang answer. And the same sa case 2 nga if ang equation ang DE is linear in x, natay standard form na dx over dy plus p y of x na times x equal to q of y. P of y I mean. Where p of y and q of y is a variable of y. And after nato siya mahimo into standard form, again, integrating factor pangitaon, but in terms of y na siya. I of y is equal to e raised to the integral of p of y dy. Again, p of y is makita na to siya diri. Naka-multiply kang x. And after that is general solution, ngay ngani, x na siya, dili na siya y, kay linear man siya in x times the integrating factor equal to the integral of q of y times the integrating factor dy. Karon, paano ba nato siya ma-determine kung linear in y ba siya? If naatay y equation and gusto nato siya mabuuan niyang linearity, if naay mugawas nga y squared ln of y e raised to y is dili na siya linear in y, kay pag mayingon tag linear in y, dapat si y is naka degree of 1 lang, power of 1. And if naapod tay y nga naka-multiply sa ato ang operator na dy over dx, dapat y raised to 1 lang pud siya. The same sa x, if linear siya in x, dapat wala siya x squared ln of x e raised to x and x times the operator na dx over dy. So if naa ni siya nga makita nato and i-try nato iyahang linearity with respect to x, is dili siya linear kung makita nato ni nga mga variable. Again, kay linear siya if ang degree niya is to the power of 1. Sige, for example, for the example number 1, natay diretso na dy over dx and si y nato diri is in degree of 1 to the power of 1 lang. So meaning this is a linear of y. And ang ato ang p of x diri is equal kang cot x, and si q of x ato diri is equal kang cosecant x. So, again, i-arrange ito sa standard form na dy over dx plus y cot x is equal to dq of x na cosecant x. And after na to siya na standard form is atoa siyang kuhaag integrating factor since linear in y, integrating factor na to is in x, which e raised to the integral of p of x. Ang atong p of x, di ba, is cotangent x dx. And that is equal to e raised to ln of sine x. And from rule of exponent, kani pwede siya ma-cancel out. So, ang ato ang I of x is equal to sine x. So, after nakuha sa integrating factor, ang general solution na y times I of x equals to the integral of q of x times I of x dx, and plug in. So, y times sine x equals to the integral of, ang q of x na to is c cosecant x times I of x na to is c sine x dx. From our reciprocal identity sa trigo, cosecant x, di ba, is equal to 1 over sine x. So, meaning this one can be cancelled out, equal to the integral of 1 over sine x times sine x dx. So, this one can be cancelled out, and ang mabili na lang is equal to y sine x equals to integral of dx, that is equal to x plus c. So, answer y sine x is equal to x plus c. And for our example number 2, we can already see nga cx is nanay to the power of 2 to the power of 4. Meaning, dili siya linear in x. And si y diri is na lang siya to the power of 1. Meaning, linear siya in y. So, first thing that we will gonna do is mag-multiply the both sides by 1 over dx. Ato siyang hinahinayon into a form na standard from diri. So, by doing that, mabili na lang, ang equation is 2xy plus x squared plus x raised to 4 minus x squared plus 1 dy over dx is equal to 0. And para kay mahimo siyang positive value, let's transpose this one first. Mahimo siyang x squared plus 1 dy over dx. Transpose ato ni kani tanan sa pikas, mahimo siyang negative quantity of 2xy plus x squared plus x raised to 4 is equal to 0. And sa tuang standard form, mga tuang dy over dx is wala siya nakamultiply nga any other variable. So, makuha nato siya by dividing x squared plus 1. So, Bili na lang dy over dx minus 2xy plus x squared plus x raised to 4 all over x squared plus 1 equal to 0. And paano nito siya mahimong pxy? That is the question. And paano to makita si q of x? From algebra again, pwede na siya ma-distribute ang denominator dire sa i-group na to ning isa and i-group na to ning isa. Then distribute. By doing that, dy over dx minus 2xy all over x squared plus 1. Distribute ang negative dire minus x squared plus x raised to 4 over x squared plus 1 equal to 0 gihapon. And nanatay q of x which is kani. We can simplify further this by doing dy over dx. Factor out si y. Bili na lang is si 2x over 2x, x squared plus 1 equal to x squared plus 1 all over x squared plus 1. I-factor out na ako diri si x squared. Kaya nahimong ayan eh. Then cancels out. So to simplify natay dy over dx minus y quantity of 2x over x squared plus 1 equals to x squared. Natay p of x and q of x. Kuhaon na nato again ang iyang integrating factor I of x be equal to e raised to the integral of, copy the sign, is negative 2x over x squared plus 1 dx. And this is just a simple u substitution. We let u be equal to x squared plus 1. Du is equal to 2x dx. And our integrating factor, masimplify na lang into e raised to what? Negative du over u. And ang answer na is e raised to negative ln of u. And to simplify, pwede to siya makancel out. But before that is erase sa nato si negative 1 sa u. Kani siya equal is e raised to ln of u raised to negative 1. Before nimo siya makancel out. So ang ato ang integrating factor karon is equal na lang kang u raised to negative 1 and cu is equal kang x squared plus 1 raised to negative 1. And after that, di ba, is since this is linear in y, we can apply the general solution of y times I of x is equal to integral of q of x times I of x dx. And by plugging in, plug in play, y times x squared plus 1 raised to negative 1 equal to the integral of our q of x ganiha is c x squared. X squared times I of x na to is c x squared plus 1 raised to negative 1 dx. Or to simplify further, equal siya kang integral of x squared, kuhaan to si negative sign, x squared plus 1 dx. And this is a improper fraction. So, need na to siya og long division. And we can do this solution, x squared divided by x squared plus 1. X squared divided by x squared is 1. 1 times x squared is x squared. 1 times 1 plus 1. Then subtract. X squared minus x squared is 0. 0 minus 1 is negative 1. Natay remainder nga negative 1. So, kani siya karon simplify into equal to integral of 1 minus 1 all over x squared plus 1 dx. Allow me to rewrite again the problem. Ato ang half solution, y is equal to x squared plus 1 raised to negative 1 is equal to integral of 1 minus 1 over x squared plus 1 dx. And to simplify further, atong answer, distribute sa integral dx minus integral of dx all over x squared plus 1. And this is just a simple y x squared plus 1 negative 1. Integral of a constant dx is just x with respect to x man, so x ato ang i-variable. Minus, this is a simple formula for what? Arctangent. Okay, the derivative of arctan of x is equal to x prime over x squared plus 1. Since our x here is just a constant, or if we let x as a function, na siya x prime. Pero if constant ang nasa sulod, 1 lang na. So, ato ang formula karon is integral of dx over x squared plus 1 is just equal to arctan of x plus c. And that is the answer. So I hope you learned something from this video. I will be posting more example